Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best fold-up rocking chair is probably one of the most versatile pieces of outdoor furniture you can own, offering a perfect blend of comfort and portability for any adventure, whether you're camping, tailgating, or simply relaxing in your backyard. Imagine sinking into a gentle rocking motion under the open sky, with the convenience of carrying this cozy seat wherever life takes you, transforming any spot into your personal oasis of relaxation. This isn't just a chair, it's your ticket to effortless comfort and spontaneous getaways, designed to make every moment outdoors more enjoyable and stress-free. Number 5. GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camping Chair. Experience ultimate relaxation wherever you go. This portable rocking chair is designed for easy setup and comfortable seating on any adventure. Enjoy smooth rocking on any surface, from the campfire to the sidelines. It's perfect for unwinding during your outdoor activities. With convenient features like a built-in drink holder and supportive armrests, you can stay comfortable and refreshed outdoors. Our patented spring-action rocking technology allows you to gently rock on various terrains. The breathable mesh backing keeps you cool. Setting up and packing away is a breeze thanks to our EasyFold technology. Spend less time fussing and more time enjoying the outdoors. This chair boasts a sturdy steel frame with a 250 pounds weight capacity, ensuring durability for all your outdoor excursions. What we like? Experience smooth rocking on any surface with patented spring-action rocking technology. It features a convenient built-in beverage holder and solid armrests for ultimate relaxation. If you enjoy relaxing by the campfire or at sporting events and want a chair that's easy to set up and pack away, this is the one for you. What people say. This rocking chair folds up easily for storage. The rocking motion is smooth and relaxing. It is made of durable material and seems built to last. Number 4. SUNNYFEEL Oversized Folding Rocking Camping Chair. Experience ultimate relaxation with our fully padded high-back seat and cushioned armrests. The smooth rocking design helps you unwind and enjoy nature's breeze, transforming any outdoor spot into your personal comfort zone. Engineered with a sturdy steel frame that supports up to 500 pounds, this chair is made for the long haul. Its durable construction ensures exceptional strength, breathability, and lasting durability for all your adventures. Get ready to relax in seconds. Simply unfold it and it's ready to use. When folded, it features a compact design and comes with a carry bag, making transportation and storage incredibly easy. Keep your essentials organized and within reach with the built-in side pockets. Integrated solid locks keep it safely folded when not in use, ensuring convenience and security. This is your go-to seat for any occasion. Perfect for camping, the lawn, beaches, concerts, and sporting events. It's the perfect blend of comfort, portability, and durability for all your outdoor needs. What we like? This chair offers superior comfort with a fully padded high-back seat and cushioned armrests, supporting up to 500 pounds. Its heavy-duty construction ensures it's built to last. If you're looking for a robust and incredibly comfortable option that can handle heavier weights and provides a plush seating experience for extended outdoor relaxation, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The rocking chair is very comfortable and sturdy. It folds up easily for storage and transport. The design is modern and stylish, fitting well with my outdoor decor. Number 3. Timber Ridge Folding Rocking Camping Chair. Introducing the Timber Ridge Folding Rocking Camping Chair, your perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. Enjoy rocking comfort wherever you go. Experience enhanced comfort with padded armrests and a convenient underseat phone pouch. It's designed to make your outdoor relaxation even better. This portable rocker is incredibly easy to transport. Its lightweight design and integrated shoulder strap mean you can take it anywhere with ease. Rest assured with its strong steel frame, capable of supporting up to 250 pounds. A safety latch ensures it stays securely open while you relax. Setting up is a breeze. Spend less time assembling and more time enjoying your outdoor activities with this easy-to-use chair. Whether camping, fishing, or attending a game, this chair provides the perfect spot to unwind. It's the ultimate blend of portability and comfort. What we like? Enjoy convenient outdoor rocking with this lightweight and portable chair, featuring padded armrests and a handy underseat phone pouch. It's designed for quick setup and easy transport. If you prioritize portability and ease of use for events like camping, fishing, or tailgating, and appreciates small conveniences like a phone pouch, this chair is a great companion. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and sturdy. It folds up easily for storage and transport. The rocking motion is smooth and relaxing. Number 2. Best Choice Products Outdoor Zero Gravity Rocking Chair. Introducing a revolutionary way to unwind. This chair offers unparalleled comfort, allowing you to truly escape and relax. Enjoy a gentle, smooth rocking experience thanks to its secure rocking system. Adjustable cords conform to your body for personalized comfort. Ready to use right out of the box, its folding design makes it perfect for any adventure. Take it to the beach, park, or your backyard. Crafted for the outdoors, it features UV-resistant mesh and a sturdy steel frame. This ensures lasting comfort and support, season after season. Discover a feeling of weightlessness with its ergonomic design. The adjustable headrest and elevated armrests provide maximum comfort for extended lounging. Available in a wide array of vibrant colors to match your style. Choose the perfect shade to enhance your outdoor space. What we like. Experience a unique sitting experience with its zero-gravity rocking system and adjustable headrest for personalized comfort. The UV-resistant textiline mesh on a steel frame provides optimal support. If you seek a chair that offers a weightless, supremely comfortable feel and is perfect for lounging on your patio, beach, or during camping trips, this chair will provide unparalleled relaxation. What people say. The rocking chair is comfortable and sturdy. It folds up easily for storage and transport. The design is attractive and fits well with outdoor decor. Number 1. Portal Oversized Folding Rocking Camping Chair. Experience ultimate relaxation with our oversized rocking camping chair. Its wider seat is designed for comfort, allowing you and your loved ones to enjoy a peaceful sit together. This chair offers a plush, padded seat and a tall backrest for full shoulder support. The sturdy armrests provide extra assistance, making it easy to get up and down. Crafted from premium alloy, this chair is built for durability and has been tested to hold up to 400 pounds. Its stable, curved base ensures a smooth and safe rocking motion. Designed for life on the go, it folds compactly in seconds and fits neatly into the included carry bag. Take it anywhere your adventures lead you. Keep your drinks and essentials close at hand with the built-in cup holder and side pocket. Everything you need is within easy reach. Enjoy the gentle rocking motion wherever you go. It's perfect for camping, sporting events, or simply relaxing in your backyard. What we like. This oversized rocking chair boasts a 400 pounds weight capacity, an extra-wide seat, and a high backrest for maximum comfort, even for taller individuals. Its premium alloy frame ensures strength and stability. If you need a sturdy, spacious, and supportive rocking chair that can comfortably accommodate larger users or simply offers more room to relax, this is the ideal pick for your outdoor adventures. What people say. The rocking chair is very comfortable and sturdy. It folds up easily for storage and transport. The design is modern and stylish, fitting well with my outdoor decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.